ke sesiphinde sangena thina bonondaba kanti ke ngokumbukeli singena kuyure yethu yesibini yenkqubo kulo usanda uvula umabonakude wakhe nanga ke amanye amanqaku esithe sawenza ayaphokoka amazwi ovelwano emva kokusweleka kwetshantliziyo lomzabalazo kunye nomthwebuli wemifanekiso ugqirha uPeter Magubane uyaqhubeka ukukhangela kwezisulu ezazikhukhula ezithibaze indawo yaseMnambithi KwaZulu Natal ukanti kwelinye inqaku kuthinjwe imfumba yesindiwa iChrome eqikelela ku-15 lezigidi zerandi eRhapasha eLimpopo. Mbukeli siyazi ukuthi usahleli nathi ke la ohlelweni lakho oluyintandokazi ekhaya Jikelele obeyitshela ukuthi ayisiphelelwe hayi cha bandla ushaye phansi kwasho umuthuli umgodla wethu awugcwele uyanyinyitheka unyaka musha ke u2024 khona othenje kulonyaka yenza sure ukuthi don't announce anything hayi vele uvumbuke sana thani abavele bakubona usuvumbuka babone ngawe esebenza ke izinto igama lohlelo ekhaya Jikelele kanti elami ngunoxolo wakwamwani ihlabangane elimhlophe kwa mbukela ke sibheke ihamba phambili ke kuleli hora lethu lesibili. Isibalo sabantu abashona ngesikhathi kuhlasela ikhukhula eMnambithi KwaZulu Natal kanti imeya yaseMnambithi izokwethamela inkonzo yomngcwabo kwaMsimang eRooseboom namhlanje. Kuyaqhubeka ukuthungatha nokutakula izisulu zezikhukhula ezihlasela eMnambithi esifundazweni KwaZulu Natal enyakatho yesifundazwe ngosuku olwandulela uKhisimusi. Namhlanje imeya yaseMnambithi uZamasibisi izohambela umndeni wezinye zezisulu kaMsimanga lapho kuzobe kufihlwa khona amanye amalungu omndeni aphangalala inhlekelele yokuhlasela kwezikhukhula.
Iphondo KwaZulu Natal lombethozi zanjonjo zemvula ngelixesha leholide ngempela veki yeChristmas imvula iye yayidliva kwindawo zephondo de yakhokhelela kwimphuphuma ezisube imiphefumulo ebalulwa kuma-23 kokhukhuliseke inhlaninge yemizi nendlela kwadaleka monakalo kuzakhiwo ezisiseko amakelo hlangulo awalali buhlayo atyhutyha imilambo ekhangela imizimba yabantu abamkene imphuphuma. Imvula egalele izolo kummandla wedama Henley iphuphumise imilambo kwakukhuliseka imoto ebinabakhweli abathathu amapolisa athi asafumene imizimba emibini.
The bodies of 2 people who drowned when a car they were traveling in was swept away during heavy flooding on Sunday afternoon at a new location in the Plexusap precinct were recovered on Monday, the 1st of January. A search team comprising members of the South African National Defence Force and committee members located the vehicle at Henley Dam on Monday morning.
Zanose zemo yezulu zithekelela intshizane ukuya kwizanjonjo ezinokhokhelela kwizikhukhula kwindawo zephondo iKwaZulu Natal.
We do have an alert for severe thunderstorms at level 2 for the western parts of KZN for tomorrow afternoon.
Inkonzo yemo yezulu ibongoza abaqhubi baqaphele ngakumbi xa benqumla ibroho kwimeko yemvula.
Ukhukhuliseko lolubangele izantyala zemvula lushiya konakele indlela kunye nebhlorho kummandla waseCoffee Bay emqanduli empuma koloni. Ibhlorho iphela kwayo kule ngingqi nesetyenziswa ngabahlali ukuya elwandle ukusuka edolophini ikhukhulisekile ngentseni yangomvulo. Ibhlorho yesibini le ekhukhuliseka kule ngingqi kwisithuba esiphansi konyaka.
Abazibonele ngamehlo nabebephandele ebusuku bathi khange kuthathe ixesha lide wagcwala qhu umlambo. Ezo zikhukhula ziye zadiliza ibhlorho yaseNenga edibanisa idolophu nolwandle.
Ngo-1 yaqalisa imvula kangibe nasiqaphu sithe sizama uzovalela imoto yabe kusekuvela isikhukhula sabona into ba sesincedakala imoto sisivalela imithi sesigada ke ngabantu babangawe because abantu bayotyiwe balantuza kwabe sekunje.
Ukudilika kwale bhlorho ilahle kwenkulu kumashishini asekuhlaleni.
Iphazamisana neshishini lam enye into ndiqhamakele kweli shishini thengisa intsimbi mina ayikho enye into enye ndijonge kwentsimbi ngoku xa ivaleke kanje ibhlorho okanye kunetha ndawulala ningatyanga.
Le bhlorho iyalungiswa ngabantu tena bayilungiswe bayitshifwa kwale mvula yemka asiyazi uba singawela njani ke ngoku xa nje.
Iinkonzo zomasipala waseKing Sabatha Dalingelo ziye kuhlola ubuzaza bomonakalo ubugoqo bususiwe ukuze abantu bakwazi ukuhamba kodwa izithuthi zona azikwazi kuwela.
We have arranged for a temporal measure that the technical services from our KSD municipality should come, and we approached them yesterday. They've been so quick. It's our approach that we should always be quicker in addressing the challenges that are affecting our communities.
Ixesha kunyaka ophelileyo izikhukhula zonakalisa ibhlorho kwakule ndawo zatshabalalisa nesikolo samabanga aphakamileyo. Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude eCoffee Bay.
Imndeni eyakhele indawo okuhlasele kuyo imvula enamandla kwadeleka izikhukhula ePietersdorp eBloemfontein ithi iphoqwa isimo ukwemukela ukuthi amakhaya ayo asenamaxhaphuza amanzi angcolile ngaphakathi.
Homes waterlogged. This is what this family of 5 is faced with every rainy season. They wait for the yard to dry up before draining water out of their house, which can take up days or weeks, and this has ruined their house. 33-year-old Nontutuzelo Masisi says they are living here because they have no alternative accommodation. The mother of 3 also lives with her pensioner parent.
As long as there is water outside, we know this is the life that we will be subjected to. If it gets hot and gets dry outside, then we will be able to clean, although it will take longer for us to remove the
A humanitarian organization says that some houses are not habitable. After assessment, the organization has recommended draining off the water from the houses and graveling of the roads to avoid future flooding.
For humanitarian relief, based on the conditions that they're staying in at the moment, I think as soon as they have been assisted by the municipality, will then bring the humanitarian relief that includes food parcels, blankets and mattresses. But for now, we're still waiting because, for health reasons, we can't be bringing food or clean material in conditions like this.
Now, Metro has assured residents that resources have been put aside to assist, and Metro's plan will be reviewed to enable it to act swiftly.
So the issue of Pietersdorp, yes, it's a problem, and we have started assisting some of the households there, and those that are currently not, that we haven't received any help. They'll definitely be getting help. We're coming to them. We have involved all stakeholders, including the province, in making sure that we assist during this time.
Residents complain that they are emotionally and financially drained. Makhala Masiteng, SABC News, Bloemfontein.
Umlawuli Jikelele wesebe lezobudlelwane bamazwe ngamazwe nentsebenziswano uGqirha Dango uthi uMzantsi Afrika ukulungele ukumela ityala lawo lokubulawa kwabantu kwinkundla yehlabathi yezobulungisa iICC. uMzantsi Afrika uvule ityala ngakuSirayeli kwiveki ephelileyo usithi eli lizwe lophule izibophelelo zalo phantsi kweConvention of Genocide. uSirayeli usikhabile kakhulu eso sityholo, nangona kunjalo ubhengeze izolo ukuba uza kuvela enkundleni ukuza kulwa eli tyala eliza kuchotshelwa ngomhla we-11 nowe-12 kule nyanga. Mawethu asiniphathele indaba kuphela kodwa siyathanda kaloku nomixhobisa ngezemozulu. Rhabula ungafinci.
Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele, sibonga kakhulu ngokuthi ke usahlanganyele kanye nathi. Mbukeli, kulonyaka ophelile kukhothame elinye iqhawe lomzabalazo umsunguli weqembu iNkatha Freedom Party ubaba uMangosuthu Buthelezi. Imbabazane Mahaqa yakhothama ngomandulo ke wanyakenye. Lapha SABC ke saba nengxoxo nenkosi uMandla Mandela owayexoxa ke nozakwethu Khola Salubisi uMadlongothi. Ake siyilalele le ngxoxo.
Siyabonga Jesu, siyabonga Jesu, siyabonga Jesu, Jesu
Inkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha ekhaya Jikelele kwinkqubo ndaba yakho eqaqambisa ulimi lemveli uDTT. Amazwi ovelwana yathontelana asingise kusapho lomntwana kaButhelezi kwi-IFP nakwisizwe saKwaZulu. Okuke kuza njengoko abemi boMzantsi Afrika bebonakalisa imbali eyadlalwa ngumntwana kaPhindangene uMangosuthu Buthelezi. Inhloko yendlu yobukhosi bukaMandela kunye nebhunga lemveli yasemvezo uNkosi Zwelivelile kaMandela uthi naye makaphosa umnatha abone ukuba ubuya nantoni. Enkosi Zwelivelile, masibambe ngasibini ngexesha lakho sikubulise kwinkqubo yethu ekhaya Jikelele nakubeni nje simanxeba silila nje namhlanje.
Masibulise nathi kubaphulaphuli bakho silusaphola komkhulu kaMandela nesizwe ngokubanzi sakumvezo njengoba sililisana nosapho lonke lakwaButhelezi nesizwe ngokubanzi emahlabathini noZulu jikelele.
Sibambe ngazibini sisitsho nje sisithi camagu makhe sithethe ngelifa lomntwana uButhelezi athe walishiya ngasemva kwaye ngendlela mhlambe ethawuzawuqinisekisa ukuba inkokheli zemveli zinelizwi elibalulekileyo ekuthatheni izigqibo kurhulumente. Siyaqonda sikhumbule kaloku into yokubana endulo siyaqonda into yokubana isizwe sasikhokhelwa bubukhosi ndawonye nemboni. Ungathi mhlambe indima umntwana kaButhelezi athe wayidlala eqinisekiseni into yokubana inkokheli ubukhokheli bemveli gqibe uyaqinisekiswa kwaye ubuthathwa njengento ebalulekileyo.
Sinengeba enkulu thina apha silusapho lakomkhulu ngoba umntwana kaPhindangene Nkosi Buthelezi waqala kwamandulo okwazi inkosi engasekhoyo utatomkhulu Nkosi uDalibhunga, kodwa akaphelelanga apho kubuhlobo wayenabo ngoba njengoba waye lilungu elikhulu lenkosi zaKwaZulu wayesoloka ehamba nesilo kumkani uBhekuzulu xa besiya 8115 eVilakazi Street beyobona inkosi uDalibhunga. Kodwa nalapho njengoba inkosi uDalibhunga ayivalele wamane esolethengqolo inkosi uButhelezi ukuya akuyombuka babonane. Kanti nakhona utata unzalayo inkosi Zwelinzima Makhathi lowanika bamndela ngelixesha esesikolweni KZN wayephansi kwesandla sika mntwana kaPhindangene. Nami ndibe nale ndeba yothi ndibalilungu lepalamente ngo-2009 ndifikelele phezu kwezandla zakhe ikwazi uba phansi kweliso lakhe. So sibe nengeba enkulu silusapho lakomkhulu uba obubuhlobo bendlu kaButhelezi nendlu kaMandela sibubone buqhuba iminyaka neminyaka. Sifunde lukhulu thina ngendima athe wayidlala kubukhosi bakowabo nokumela ilizwe jikelele bukaZulu. Sinothi izinto esinothi sizicaphule ukwazile ukuphakamisa isizwe saKwaZulu. Into elakalezelwayo noba yiphi inkosi uba ibe nendima ezawuthi ikwazi uyidlala kubukumkani bayo nencedisa ikumkani ephila phansi kwayo. Loo nto ke sithi umntwana kaPhindangene azalale ngoxolo. Xa kukho izinto ezenziwayo uZulu jikelele akwazi ukuphuma ngambombozone qinisekisa into yoba baba nendima abayidlalayo kumasiko abo. ilonto nathi isathi safunda leminzi kuye size inkosi ezisentsha.
Nganegazi ngiyayithanda kakhulu into ibalulayo yokubana ngenene besimbona into yokubana amasiko nezithethe ibiyinto ebesithi mayilondolozwe kuba eneneni akukho sizwe esinokuceba sihamba mhlawumbe ngenkolelo okanye ngamasiko amanye amazwe. Ngaphambi kokuba nje sihlabele emgama noludliwano ndlebe ndiyathanda into yokubana sirhabule sifince sijonge le video okanye siphulaphule le video ilandelayo.
Umadiba nami sahlangana ngeminyaka yo-1950 sikholos nalapho sejele azange singathintani nalapho ngizogana wayesihloko esikhulu sasemzini lapho kumzila lapho ngizogana khona.
Siyamva apho umntwana esithi into yokubana bahlangana notata uNelson Mandela ngonyaka ka1950 esithi into yokubana nakubeni nje wayechata wayekhona emva kokusungulwa kombutho weIFP kwabakho mhlambe iyanhlukwano phakathi kombutho iANC nayo iIFP kodwa ke ezinkokheli zimbini zenza inzame zokuba zidale uxolo. Khawusixelele ngentsebenziswano yesisibini njengenkokheli zalamaqela omabini.
Thina sasisoloko sibuka silikhaya into ubuhlobo bukaNkosi uDalibhunga kanye nomntwana kaPhindangeni. Side siyise nobuhlobo bethu nobugazi bunye nokumkani uDalonga Kaizer Mathanzima. Uba ibingabantu bebesoloko bebekele uba bakhangele ilonto bunothi independence yofanga. Ukosi uDalonga angumuntu wayefuna iTranskei izimele njengoba kanye inkosi uThelezi wayesoloka ephakamisa uZulu efuneka naye abone ngoba isizwe sakwaZulu siyazimela. So selekhaya sasibuka ngolo hlobo lona. Unkosi uDalibhunga zange abasole ngantonye kodwa wayeyiqonda ingoba eyona nto bebeyiphakamisa kuba babe nesizwe sakwabo esizawuzimela njengoba iSwaziland izimele, njengoba iLesotho izimele, njengoba iBotswana kaKhama izimele. Kodwa xa siya kunkosi uDalibhunga engumuntu ofuna inkululeko yoMzantsi Afrika ophelele. Loo nto ke zange iba beke buqala into yoba bangakwazi usebenzisana. Siye sayibuka thina silekhaya iminyaka neminyaka inkosi uDalibhunga wayesithi xa ephuma njengomongameli woMzantsi Afrika aye phandle oyena muntu wayezamshiye ambeke umuntu ozawubamba olo thutyana ayengekho ephesheya wayesoloka ejonge kuye umntwana kaPhindangeni ube i-acting president kumajeli amabini amathathu xa ndiqekelela. Loo nto ke ibibonakalisa obubuhlobo nothembeka kwakhe umntwana kaPhindangeni. Sayiqonda thina uba ibengumuntu ngokwe-Ekhaya njengoba wayesoloka ethetha kaninzi esithi umalume wakhe uPhitsiyaseme wayekhona ekusweleni kwalo mbutho kaKhongolose. Naye ukhula kuyo lo mbutho ibingumnqweno wakhe ophinda uthi xa egobe sebuyele kumbutho wako wabo kodwa loo nto ayidange ifezeke. Ndicinga ishiya ke into phakathi kwenkokheli ezintsha ezizawuthi zithathe uyaphambili uba yicingisise le nto nemvelaphi yakhe umntwana uba isukaphi.
Benekazi kumazwi lo watshoyo kuyanqineka into yokubana ngenene isizwe ngesizwe sinoxanduva lokuphanda nzulu ngembali imvelaphi nenkcubeko yaso ukuze kube kanti siyazifumana i-solutions okanye undoqo wezinto esingabona into yokubana konakelephi xa sijonga nzulu kwezi zinto othe wazikhankanya. Benekazi sibamba ngazibini ngexesha lakho asiyazi into yobana mhlambe singabulela sithini siyabamba ngazo zozibini siyathemba into yokubana naye umntwana uPhindangeni xa yeva uthetha ngolhlobo uncumile apha khona kwaye uyoqhubeka abe sisithunywa esihle ezweni lomoya sibamba ngazo zozibini.
belela thina enkosi.
Lowo ke mbukeli ke besithetha naye usuka pha kwindlu yobukhosi bukaMandela kunye nebhungo lemveli lasemvezo uNkosi Zwelivelile Mandela. Sidlala indlebe naye ke ngendima eyadlalwa nguye umntwana uMongosuthu Buthelezi ukuqinisekisa ukuba inkokheli zemveli zinelizwi kurhulumente. Ngokumbukeli masithi nje qhwi evenkileni usabukele Ekhaya Jikelele.
Siphinde sikwamkele mbukeli lapha Ekhaya Jikelele. Kanti ngoba siqhubeka phambili ke nezindaba esikuphathele zona, uPeter Magubane ke ungomunye abathwebuli beyithombe abebehla bahlosile lapha eNingizimu Afrika ngenxa yokuqopha isihluku nonya lwezenzo zohulumeni obandlululo akasekho ke emhlabeni. Ngenxa yobumqoka nokubaleka komsebenzi wakhe wayethola seboshwa phela mbukeli eboshwa amaphoyisa kohulumeni obandlululo nalapho avalelwa khona ngayedwana izinsuku ezingama596. uMagubane udlula nje emhlabeni ubeseneminyaka engama91. Ukuqonda nje kabanzi ngobumqoka bomsebenzi wokwethwebula izithombe sixhumana noDr Ngcobo umthwebuli wezithombe osehlabane ngeindondo eziningi ke kulomkhakha. Mapholoba asikubingelele sikwamkeleke lapha Ekhaya Jikelele sibonge ngesikhathi sakho namhlanje.
Ngiyabingelela sisinoxolo ngibingelele nababukeli.
Ngabo ngesikhathi kusahlelwa inkulumo nawe unengxoxo ke nomunye badidiyeli ke bohlelo lapha uveze ukuthi cha uPeter Magubane usahlangane naye nje mhlawumbe amahlandla amabili kulesi sikhathi esincane nje owahlangana kanye naye ngaso engabe kunjani ukuhlangana naye?
Ngicela ukuhlangana nobaba uMagubane befika nengoma esigodleni saseNyoni la ngamfica khona wayehleli nasesangweni esigodlweni. So ngenxa yokuthi besekhula kulinda lezo sikhathi wangathi mhlawumbe 2010 2011 noma 2012. So ubehleli phansi. So ngiyakuphuka ngiba ngakubona angiboni ukuthi ubani. But into engiyiqaphelayo ukuthi la hleli khona ungungiwe abanye ama-colleagues ethu amngungile lo muntu uyena uxoxayo. Uma ngisondela khona uma sengisondela eduze ngibona hayibo ubaba uPeter Magubane lo bese ngisondela nami ngizozwa ukuthi hayibo kwenzenjani ubekwa yini la kanongoma ngoba phela besimazi njengomuntu wesifundazwe. Uma ngisondela ngiyafika uMagubane uyaxoxa uxoxa nge-experience yakhe isikhathi sobandlululo izinto ababeyikhava ngaleso sikhathi lesana nomzima labebhekene nabo. Ngifike nami la ngijoyini nami kube khona imibuzo nami ngibuza yona futhi engakhathali umbuza bengadikibala phendula kunike isikhathi sakhe akuchazele kahle ukuthi babebhekana nani ubunzima babebhekana nabo ubungozi ababebhekana nabo phela ngaleso sikhathi babekhava ama-riots and kukhona namaphoyisa obandlululo ngaleso sikhathi leso ayesishaya abantu noma ibabulala kwezinye ikhathi. So ngize ngimbuza ukuthi babenze njani ukuze banganakeki ngoba phela ukusebenza ngomsebenzi wekhamera ku-attract i-attention ebantwini abasuke be-around. Azangichazela ukuthi no at some point bebethatha isinkwa bebethenga isinkwa ulofu bawugubhe ngaphakathi bafihla ikhamera phakathi kulofu wesinkwa ukuze amaphoyisa babona ayibonele umuntu ophethe isinkwa kanti kunekhamera phakathi antshontshe iy'thombe ngaleyo ndlela.
Cha uyabona impela ukuthi ubunzima obukhulu ababebhekene nabo ngaleso sikhathi
babebhekene nobunzima obukhulu kakhulu ngoba uma ubuka beside amaphoyisa nalezi ngxenye lezo zazilwa ngalezo yikhathi ngesikhathi sezimpi babengalimala kwi-crossfire noma balinyazwe omunye wamaqembu lawa ayelwa noma abantu laba ababesuke besusa impilo ngaleso sikhathi. So impilo zabo zayisengcupheni kodwa yize noma kwakunjalo umsebenzi wakho uyayikhulumela namhlanje.
Dr. Ubuciko nomsebenzi wokuthwebula izithombe ke ukuze ukwazi ukuqopha izinto ngendlela ebonisa iqiniso nokusuka kwenzeka ngaleso sikhathi yini okufanele ukuthi uyiqikelele njengomthwebuli?
Ngicabanga ukuthi paying attention to details lapho sukukhona ucaphele uma usestori ucishe kuyo yonke into esuke yenzeka around la usukukhona kule ndawo usukuyona. Ungafiki endaweni ube-comfortable ube lazy yabo amehla kokumela gijini zonke inkalo umuphumile ube nomfutho emzimbeni, walk around, umumva uye phambili, kumele wazi ukuthi lapho ukhona kwenzakalani. Ungicikwa ithombe usendaweni because abanye abantu abangayibheki ukuthi isithombe se-action masesenzekile ngeke sisaphindwe. Uma sesiqoqile asisabuyiseli yabo. So you must always be at the right place at the right time. Uqikelele nokuthi ithombe zakho zihluke kwezabanye abantu. Yabo uthina sisebenzela amaphepha uthi uma sekuphuma amaphepha ngakusasa ungabi iphepha laseNdlovu, iphepha laseThekwini, iphepha lakuphi, zonke ziyafana lokho. So you must always ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi noma kukhona lento eyenziwa ibo bonke abathwebula abaningi, but wena izumthwebula kufanele kube nokwakho okuhlukile okuzoba i-identity yakho. Engicabanga ukuthi uba Magubane ubuka iy'thombe zakhe ngicabanga ukuthi zimthatha apart because of law nto leyo. He was paying attention to all ama-details and ubazi ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Ubaba uPeter Magubane ke futhi uthi ikhamera yakhe wabe eyithatha njengesikhali sakhe sokuhlasela kuhulumeni wobandlululo. Kulesi sikhathi samanje ke doctor, yini nje ke ongayichaza njengento emqoka kumthwebuli wezithombe uqinisekisa ukuthi ubambe iqhaza emzabalazweni wesikhathi ke sanjengamanje kungakhalathalekile ke ukuthi uchaza ndlelani lo mzabalazo?
Ngicabanga ukuthi okusemqoka kuthina njengabathwebuli ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi kumele sihlezi siveza uliqiniso. Yabona ubaba Magubane ukhombisile ukuthi amakhamera lawa esiwaphathayo aneqhaza elibalulekile kangakanani, ane-impact engakanani. So kumele ngaso sonke isikhathi through umsebenzi lo esiwenzayo sivundulula zonke okwenzeka emphakathini yethu, okuhle noma okubi, sikuveze njengoba kunjalo. Futhi kumele ngaso sonke isikhathi silele ukuguqula isimo esingesihle kumuntu, sishiye singconywana kunalesi sikhathi lesi sisuke simfice siyisona. Ngicabanga ukuthi iyona into efuneke siqhubeke nayo leyo, siguqule impilo zabantu kube zibe ngconywana nemphakathi yethu.
Manje doctor ke ungathi nje ke njengoba ngabe mhlawumbe kukhona umuntu omusha ofisayo naye noma nekhono lokushutha izithombe othanda ukushutha izithombe, ungathini nje kuyo injani industry yenu, nisebenza kanjani, iziphi ingqinamba mhlawumbe nibhekana nazo manje ke currently ngonyaka u2024?
Mangathi umuntu ofuna ukuzoqala manje first nje sisinoxolo lo muntu ufuneka ayibuze iqala ukuthi i-passion yalo msebenzi unayo yini. Because ungakwenza konke, ungaya e-university ustadishe umsebenzi lo esiwenzayo, but uma ingekho le adrenaline rush emzimbeni wakho, uma ungenayo leya passion leya, ayi mina ngingamcela yeke. But othandayo ozizwayo ukuthi equal to task, ngicabanga ukuthi ama-university akhona because uyidinga leya foundation leya ukuze wazi ama-ethics, wazi indlela zokuyiphatha nje, imshekulu ukuthi uyiphatha kanjani emesefindini. Okunye njengoba ngishilo ukuthi umsebenzi we-passion we-skill, angeke ngiphinde ukuthi i-industry yethu njengamanje ayisafani nangaleso sikhathi ngenxa yezinto ezifana no-social media nani. Ngoba uzoshutha isithombe la manje usalinde ukuthi sipublishe kusasa, uyabona mhlawumbe kusekhona umuntu oshuthe ngefoni, into ethi ayifani, ivele iquality ingafani, but abantu sebeyibonile le nto le nawe uyishuthile wena usazoyipublisha ngakusasa. So i-industry ayisafani, kodwa-ke into ebalulekile ukuthi iskill sakho wena as umthwebuli sinjani, ngoba singashuthana simndawonye sishutha into efanayo, but uthole isithombe sami nesakho ngeke sifane ngoba imqondo ayifani and ama-ideas awasoze futhi afana. So abantu ngabakhuthaza abathanda ukwenza umsebenzi wethu ukuthi modern welcome, nathi uguga ngelinye ilanga sofisa ukuthi nabo baqhubeke nomsebenzi bawenza.
Manje ubona ikusasa ke labathwebuli beyithombe lime kanjani njengoba nawe ke ukade usuphawula mayelana no social media amafoni abantu sebeshutha ngamafoni njalo njalo ingabe ikakhulukazi futhi ke emaphepheni print media ubona ukuthi ngabe ikusasa labathwebuli limi kanjani?
Kuyiqiniso nje sisinakuhlola asifuni endaweni eziningi uthothi imsebenzi yaphela kubathwebuli but truth is angeke like neminye imisebenzi iyaphela mfathi industry yethu iyonke isikhathi esibhekene nazo njengamanje ngenxa ama-challenges social media sonke sibhekene nengwadla esibhekene nayo but especially emaphepheni you can't run iphepha without ilokhuzana iy'thombe ngoba impact ezinazo ngoba ngisho udaba lungaba khona ephepheni kodwa khona into umlimi wenziwa isithombe ngoba uma kuthiwa sisimaxolo ufunda udaba ephepheni bungekho umbhala angakuthatha kubeke ngesimo sokomqondo kodwa isithombe sikuthatha sikubeke bukhoma in the center of an action noyo so leyo nto leyo you can't substitute nangobungane uma kukhulunywa ngey'thombe zikaba uPeter Magubane straight away emkondweni ziyayidlalela irregardless ukuthi ngangiyibonile but isithombe uma usibonile futhi hlale siyibone emkondweni ngaso sonke isikhathi so ziyasiza ukuthi zi-edikhale ephepheni nanokuthi zithatha umfundi zimbeke ngqo ekutheni yini kahle kahle ekade yenzeka so umsebenzi wethu angeke uzuphele even uma usebenzi uphele kodwa angeke uzuphele ngenxa yalezo zimo lezi engiyibekayo.
Futhi nje ngiyacabanga ke nokuthi ke noku-adapta ukushintsha ngey'khathi njengoba ihamba nakho kuyasiza ngoba ngike ngajabula ukubona ukuthi ke namanye amaphephandaba akasekhona ukuthi noma ungasatholi i-hard copy yephepha kodwa online kusakwazi ukuthi ungene. Yes,
online uyasiza kakhulu ngoba uyenza ukuthi nathi sihlezi si-relevant. Siyashutha la siyafayila manje ziyangena iy'thombe online uthothi ama-challenges akho nithothi ephepheni bezofaka mhlawumbe isithombe esodwa noma embili online bayakwazi ukuyifaka noma zibe u-10 so umsebenzi wakho ngaleyo ndlela is able to be showcased at greater length than so impilo iyaqhubeka we have to adapt isimo masishintsha nathi kumele siguquke naso.
Yes.
Kumele siguquke naso so we have adapted ku-online and it is working uma ubuka indlela ama-readers alandela ngayo ama-pages ethu uyabona ukuthi siyashifta into new frontiers and it is working in our favor as well.
Yes. Hawu sibonga kakhulu kwensizwa yasenkombanyuso ngesikhathi sakho.
Ngiyabonga sisinaxoxa impilo.
Lawa ke ngibukele sixoxa naye uDr. Ngcobo intatheli ethwebula iy'thombe enkampanini IOL kanti yena ke ugxile kakhulu ephephandabeni Isolezwe KwaZulu Natal. Siqu 8 lo mbukeli siyabuya emva kokhefu.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi kusanda ukungena ubukele i-Ekhaya Jikelele kanti ke icandelo lomdlalo webhola ekhatywayo eMzantsi Afrika lithwaqwe kanobomi ngokushiywa ngowayesakuba ngumdlali nokapteni weqela le-Orlando Pirates kulo nyaka sidlula kuye ukuhlonipha nokunikeza imbeko kweli qhawe inkqubo yethu yekhaya Jikelele ibinodliwano-ndlebe noBenedict Vilakazi nobesingathwe ngugxa wethu uKholosa Kalubisi Rhabulo Mafinci.
Kanti ke mbukeli ibhola ekhatywayo yoMzantsi Afrika yonzakele kabuhlungu ngokusweleka kwalowa yengumdlali wasemva no-captain we-Orlando Pirates setha ngaye kaloku uPapi Khomane. uKhomane ke udlale imidlalo engaphaya kwekhulu elinama-50 phaa kwi-Orlando Pirates. Wakhe ke wadlala sambona phaa kwiJomo Cosmos waphinda ke wadlalela iBafana Bafana izihlandlo ezilithoba. Ukunika imbelo kweli qala siye samema apha enkqubeni nami uBenedict Bongani Vilakazi apha e-studio nodlale noHomani kwi-Orlando Pirates. Kodwa ke ngaphambi kokuba mbukeli sibe nodliwano ndlebe umthombo wendaba ze-SABC kwezemidlalo ubuthe gqolo uqhubeka ukuhlonipha eligala lebhola phakathi kwenkqubo eziyezamhlonipha kuquka yona i-Soccer Zone. Make sive ukuba imhloniphe kanjani.
Medisale babuyi lapeng usengakajeni. Sanamukela kuladuma Mzansi for sure ku SABC 1. There's a little bit of a grey clouds as it might pose a danger in terms of raining this afternoon. Let the ball do most of the work rather than the players do the work. And the best way to defend is to attack. I'm trying very hard to get much respect. Where there's a will, there's a way. That's the beauty of it.
Kwaze kwabhlungu mbukeli ngenene singumzantsi Afrika nezemidlalo silahlekelwe njengoko mbukeli phambi kwalemqulunqo siyasakuthembisa into yokubana apha kwizindlu zethu zosasazo sindonelwe nguye kaloku utata uBongani naye ke ebedlala kakhulu naye pha kwi-Orlando Pirates. Masikubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni.
Ngibulise ngibonge ukuthi nibize namhlanje.
Sikubiza kungemnandanga. Inhliziyo zilihlwili ngokuhamba kwakhe uPapi. Naxa ubona lo mboniso ngiyaqiniseka into yokubana kunenkumbulo ezivukayo kuba yena bakunye ixesha elininzi. Ungathi nje xa kuthiwa Papi zeziphi inkumbulo tata uBongani ezithi qatha emqondweni wakho?
Papi singakhuluma hilala ngavela lizalishona. Ngendlela uPapi bekayiyo and qala nje inkulumo yami kahle kahle I will say thanks ukuthi I had time naye ngikwazi ukuthi ngikhulume naye and spend time naye, get advice from him, because I remember my first session uPapi uyangithekela yabo. So makangimaka nje strong wathi kimi uzosetshenzwa lana kudlalo, and that's when I started to to take football more serious, and he was there in terms of helping us young ones that are coming in professional football, advise, guide, but bengathi lo muntu okhuluma kakhulu Papi. Lo muntu quiet, into enikhulumela kwenyawo zakhe, and a person like that is gonna always defeat you, even noma uthi ufuna ukumlwisa, because noma yampusha noma wenzani, you just wanna look at you akubheke nje lenathule aqhubeke futhi ngegame. And I was very lucky to be one of those players that spent time with him, sharing a changing room with him, at some point sharing a room naye at Paris, because as young ones bebanokuthi basilalise nama so that we learn from them the guidance and the knowledge of football and how serious we should be about the football.
Yeah, uyathi bana ebengengumuntu othanda uthetha kakhulu, kodwa kuyabonakala into yokubana into bethetha ngayo ngumsebenzi lo ebewenza, and njengokuba uthi usebenzisene kakhulu naye nishare i-changing rooms, and siyambona pha kulamboniso ubonakala ngathi ingathi ebenazo nesakhono kuba ndiyambona nanku esasaza esithini. Ungathi mhlawumbe njengomdlali ebenjani?
One of the best defenders like South Africa that I believe we had. After look, I don't call them defenders, but Papi was something else. Quiet back. When you can check my game, Papi will pick the top strikers in our league. You know, Bob will make sure on that day that striker is not going to get the chance, is not going to get the goal, and you know, it takes him to be a leader with him, because you know, a captain, looking at the work rate here in the team, you know, he complements everything. And when you're a captain, he's always going to make you now a good team. You must also work hard, you know. So yes, we lost as a nation, but you know, in knowledge of football, at some point he was an analyst and SABC, you know, and that's how, I mean, a personal, I would say, I was like, okay, no man, with the knowledge of football, I mean, I think I can also do it also, and learning from him, because, you know, people, they think when we do things, we just do them out of nothing. And you know, we learn from Muhammad, because I once also worked like SABC's Kukos FM. Why? Because I also look at him and how he analyze, and I learn from him. So I took it from them.
Wow, kuhle kakhulu into kubana nawe ungomnye wabantu ozothi ndinjenjenje kunegalelo upapi athi walenza into ethi ngenene. He was a true inspiration, and ngokubalisa ngomsebenzi nefuthe lakhe kwezemidlalo and beyond football, kuyabonakala ngenene into kubana iOrlando Pirates iphulukene negala kakhulu, and siyaqonda into yobana mhlambe xa kunabadlali esingatsho ukuthi bane experience, bayazi basebenza ngokuzikhandla abafana naye upapi, ngabadlali abo ekufuneka into yobana bakhuselwe ukuze bakwazi into yokubana le knowledge banayo idluliselwe nakulutsha. Ungathi mhlawumbe iqela lezemidlalo lenza ngokwaneleyo uqinisekisa into yokubana ngoku umuntu esaphila uyasetyenziswa ukuze akhuthaze nabanye abakhulayo?
Well, uzosho ukuthi akwenzakali enough where I believe ukuthi it should be, ngoba abantu abafana nabo papi, like njengoba ngisho, I've learned from him, but not through the support of the game itself, you know, on a personal level. So I learned from him, and I believe ukuthi asinakhali sikhale ngulahlekela kwakhe. One thing that I always believe is ukuthi instead of crying, we need to celebrate those people, you know. Like I am saying thanks. You know, yes, we lost him, but I'm saying thanks because I spent time, I've learned things from him, and some of those things I'm doing them even today. You know, so we don't have to go to Sikale, we need to celebrate them. But now we see as a error, because when we lose these people, we're crying because we didn't use them. Where I believe young players that are coming in, they need to learn from experienced guys. So that's why we'll cry as a nation. But if we're gonna use them, the ex-players, the legends, we to know, come and help the young ones in terms of development and all of that. We're not gonna cry when we lose. We're going to celebrate their lives.
Kuba ngethuba bebephila sibanikezile intyantyambo zabo, kananjalo into bebenayo bakwazile into nabayisebenzise ukuphuhlisa isizwe nabanye abantu. Iyavakala kwaye lento ithethayo ibaluleke kakhulu kuba siyalahlekelwa ngamaqala kumacandelo ahlukileyo, kodwa sikhale xa sele behambile kuba siqonda bana yo samgqibela kudala ngoko mhlambe wayedlala, kanti lo muntu ebehleli esendlini efumbathe isakhono ebisiza kuphuhlisa isizwe. Njengokuthi into bana usebenza kakhulu naye kwaye waku-inspirisha kwizinto ezininzi, kodwa ndiyathanda into bana uke wabelene nababukeli bethu mhlambe zeziphi i-moments oqonda hey lo mfo kapapi khona izinto mhlambe azenzayo abantu abangaziqondi, funny moments nje ongathi wayishare naye?
No, you know, as a puppy, it was like first time ngimbona, like bengisaba nje nokuthi yababe wala Khortman kunjani Khortman, and then ezosuka because uPapi is quiet, you know. So once bakazokhuluma uPapi, then like everyone knows ukuthi yabona la kusho something is wrong. Akusilo umuntu that will find him talking nani, you know, now team talk, keep quiet and listen. Babu was if you come anything, quiet. But when upapa suku makhuluma everyone knows ukuthi we should contest is right as our teammates. Then wonke umuntu uzobheka ke bese saka bona ukuthi no yazini hey guys let's try and do the right things, but yeah, he had the moments where he will laugh, smile, and bekathanda futhi ukudlala amakhadi crazy 8. You will find them nabo Brennan Silent, Warren Lewis, Thomas Ngwana, Innocent Chikoya. They will love to badlala amakhadi. So yeah, man, me personally I believe what we had a gentleman. We had a leader, and thanks that we had an opportunity to spend time with him.
Wow. And I mean, ndiqinisekile nabanye ababukele ekhaya abathe bengekho kufuphi kuthi koko igalelo lakhe kwezemidlalo silibonile, kwaye nathi mhlambe sisakhula kwaye sinomnqweno ukuba sizibandakanye ngezemidlalo okanye sesiphakathi kwezemidlalo. He has greatly impacted impilo zethu. Athini nje amazwi ongathanda into bana uwaphose kuMzantsi Afrika nabo abaxhelekile emphefumulweni abathi ewe besingamazi personally kodwa umsebenzi wakhe siyawungqina siyawazi?
Ngokuqala nje ngizocela ukuthi let's use our legends while they're still alive so that we can celebrate them. When they're gone, we don't have to cry. And then silahlekelo sonke, no more Chiefs, no more Paris, no more Sundowns, no more Cosmos, but all of us, we lost it because this gentleman was a leader. He played also for Bafana and showed qualities of being a good defender and a leader in the team. He was a captain at Pirates, or winner in league at Pirates, and we had good times. And I'm saying to people, let's not cry. The cry that we must put, it's a celebration of seeing Upapi playing football from Cosmos to Paris to Bafana, and by analyst la SABC. Let's celebrate him. Let's change everything around. Bayashuba team, as people, we are special in different ways. This man is special in many ways. Today I know how to be a father today. That man, at some point we'll get to the stage. This is how we need to lead. Because when we see these guys, we don't show appreciate. But when they gone, now we cry and say, no, but why we have to lose these good people? But what did we do when these people were still alive? So now let's just turn it around now and cry in a celebration mood to say thank you, Papi, for the time that you gave it to us, and we had fun. We enjoyed that time. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Ngathi mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele singathanda nje ukuthatha nje umzuzu noba nje umnye siye sinikeze imbeko kweliqala.
Leli gama lelithi Papi Khomane ligama ke lelatwa kakhulu ebholeni letinyawo, ikakhulu kubalandzeli beOrlando Pirates. Khomane ke waqala ukudlala ibhola lekhokhelwayo ngeminyaka wa1994 lapho ke bekadlalela iJomo Cosmos. Kungilapho ukumisela kwakhe kwaheha licembu laseSoweto lokuOrlando Pirates. Iyavele yathi ke angeke iPortisa Maseko yamthenga kuJomo Cosmos ngeminyaka wa1998.
Yeah, I wasn't happy. So I said to myself, it's better for me to get a change of environment, So I went to him and asked for him, and then I had no team at that time. So he said to me, okay, what if there's no team that will approach me? I said, I don't have a problem with that, but I can continue playing for Cosmos then. And then came Pirates, and then I went for
kanti ke Khomane uyise wakhe naye bewagijima ku-Orlando Pirates. Johannes Khomane lokwenzeka ukuthi abe ngaphansi kwencindezeti babi ngoba noyise ku-Orlando Pirates bekayibekile imfundo ebanzi. Khomane ke bekungumdlali lodlala emuva lowatwa ukuthi emkhathini kwebhola nemuntu kumele kudlule kunye. Abaningi lo mdlali bamchaza njengomuntu lobanganzi emlonyeni kepha adlala ngokuqinisela nekudinikela. Ngesikhathi sakhe ku-Orlando Pirates uphumelele imihlomelo eminingi lokufaka ekhathi iligi kabili kanye ne-BP Top 8 bese yathiwa ngokuthi MTN 8. Ukutimisela kwakhe ku-Orlando Pirates kwamenda waqokwa njengakapteni waleli qembu. Uphindze wamelela licembu lesive lakuleli emahlandla ayimfica. Kanti ke bekayingcenye bayofana bafana ngalesikhathi iphuma endzaweni yesithathu kumqhudelwano African Cup of Nations ngeminyaka wa 2000. Khomane ke ushiye phansi kudlala ibhola elikhokhelwako ngomnyaka wa 2007. Ayahamba ke emachawe uyawusala Tibongo. Udlalile inzima yakhe yokuthuthukisa ibhola letinyawo lakuleli. Udlula emhlabeni nje besekaneminyaka le-48.
Ngenene mbukeli we-Ekhaya Jikelele ayahamba amaqhawe kuyosala izibongo. Sibambe ngazibini ke kwintatheli yethu ethe yasiqulunqela lengxelo uzwakele kamabuza. Sibambe ngazibini mhlonitshwa ngokuba nawe uthatha ixesha uzowunikeza imbeko eliqala ebelithe chunce benihamba kunye. Iyabaleka kakhulu into wayichaphazela yokuba kumele sibabhiyozele besaphila. Nathi si-Ekhaya Jikelele singathanda uthatha ithuba into bana nawe sikubonile uthe chungcembe uyihamba lendlela kunjalo nje izinqi zakho ziyavakala kwaye nawe siyakucelebrate siyathemba into kubana nawe uzafumana induduzo emphefumulweni ngokushiya kwakhe lo mthi omkhulu siyabulela kakhulu.
Ngibonga mina kakhulu.